Namaskar friends. So guys, in this video we will have our discussion on a topic which is breaking the internet right now. So the recent kind of assassination attack which happened on Donald Trump, which is a very significant event which need to be studied through astrology. So guys, before we will get into that, a lot many people have been asking me that why suddenly I'm a little bit inconsistent with my upload frequency. So some people were worried as well. I feel very grateful to have such a great audience which are connected with me. So my health is perfectly fine. So the very first reason is that I recently started this podcast on my another Hindi channel, so where I've been inviting lot many guests, preparing the questions, getting the studio work done is actually making me preoccupied with lot many responsibilities. And the second reason was that because of the Gupta Navratri, I was also engaged in my own sadhana as well, specific mantras which I was practicing back to back. So that was the only reason my upload frequency was little bit shaky, but now I will try to keep up to the pace with which I generally upload on my channel. So guys, in this video I just took out time just to talk about this event because it is very important for all the astrology researchers to understand. Like the way guys, I always say this thing, in today's day and age, all those people who are ruling and controlling the masses, somehow in their case you will definitely find the prominence of the nodes of Rahu and Ketu. See, when we talk about the range of the inner planets, like whether you talk about Sun, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, all these planets, they all have a capacity. But when we talk about the power of Rahu and Ketu, and understand this thing guys, they have this power not only to control the masses, but to in certain cases they become so important that, let's say for example, if you are strongly being ruled by, let's say for example, Ketu, so even all those people who will be opposing you, like this could be a case that your oppositions will be taken care by the nature or by the fury of the nature on its own as well. So when we talk about that, if you are meant or you're destined for something, and if that is getting promised through the involvement of Rahu and Ketu, so your path towards that coveted title, to that coveted prize, tend to remain very entitled. That is something which I am trying to say over here. Now definitely guys, I have actually studied and presented as a case study Donald Trump's chart so many times on my channel. Like the way, for example, he's a typical case of someone being born very close to the timing of the eclipse. In his case, like even if you will right now see the chart on your screen, so he has got a Leo rising with Mars being very prominently placed in his first house, and definitely his whole persona, the way he project himself, that all somehow manifest the solar blended with the like sun quality blended with the Martian qualities. Along with that guys, most important thing to pay attention in his chart is Rahu and Ketu axis. So he has his ascendant lord placed in the 10th house, which is very tightly conjunct with the Rahu, and his moon is conjunct with Ketu. And even if you will give attention to the degrees of the moon and Ketu, so Ketu is of 27 degrees and moon is of 28 degree. And guys, like there are like those people who are born to have that throne in their life. So he is born with the influence of the Magha nakshatra on his ascendant and Jyeshtha on his moon. And we know this thing that, see, Jyeshtha people, whether they have to conspire, they have to, no matter what they have to do, but they will somehow ensure that they will reach that coveted position or power. And somehow guys, because whenever your this kind of alignment is under the influence of nodes, then nature also plays a very important role. And with Magha, everything comes in the form of the inheritance or birthright only. Now guys, even if you will pay attention to this incident which recently happened, like I was just going through this post where even Donald Trump like he admitted this thing that it's like it is very surprising that I took the turn on that specific direction. I looked down right at those minute seconds when this shot was aimed at me, when it was fired at me. And again guys, see, the minute when, even because as per the Indian Standard Time, it happened early in the morning. So when I saw that post, and specifically all the images which was coming in, you will definitely see someone who's so ferocious, so fearless, that sort of energy of Mars being prominently placed in your first house, you will definitely see that, or you will sense that from those pictures, that a guy who was just being shot at and he's getting up with a bloody face and he's just shouting fight, fight. So that means that sort of power definitely we can see from his chart as well. Now guys, the last thing which I wanted to say, the reason because of which I made this video, whenever any of those incidents happen, it becomes very important to pay attention that in which capacity moon is transiting, in which zodiac sign moon is transiting. So guys, in his chart, if you will see, his moon is conjunct with Ketu. That is one symmetry. On the day when this incident happened, moon was transiting in the Virgo. It was conjunct with Ketu over there. And also guys, basis the details with which I am working right now, even if you will look at his dasha as well, he is right now in the Mahadasha of the planet Jupiter, and he is in the sub period of the Ketu as well. So definitely guys, all of that just tells about that. And I always say this thing specifically in the case of Ketu. See, when we talk about Rahu, your your connivingness or your adroitness can help you get there, but when it comes down to Ketu, it's the whole force of nature, instincts and higher dimension and the power only which plays an important role, which ensures that whatsoever is promised in your chart in this lifetime should be delivered to you and nothing should come in the way. So the whole incident actually took me to the power of the Rahu and Ketu only. So not only that was getting promised in his natal chart, it was the similar alignment on the day when this incident happened, and the same is getting applicable in his sub period as well, in his dasha as well. So for all those people who have this mindset that Rahu and Ketu are only capable enough of bringing all the misery, all the problems and difficulties in our life, in the best of their state, they have this power and capacity to give you the riches and protect you from any of the imminent danger as well. And definitely guys, when we talk about the Ketu, because in his case being born in the influence of the Magha, so somehow the guardian angels are also protecting you, or they were protecting him as well. Like right after that incident, like there have been those many posts which started getting circulating where like Donald Trump has been shown as a messiah, where Jesus is protecting him by himself. So all of that somehow has some sort of traces with the kind of birth chart with which he is born with. So it's a kind of a exceptional chart, and all those development which happens generally in his life, you will definitely find it in synchronicity with his planetary details and planetary alignments as well. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For furthermore updates and notifications on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. धन्यवाद.